All right, here's my update. So the cords on this panel were really short. You can see how short they are. They go from that connector to the back of the panel there. I had to put these I guess they're coming to save the day or something. I had to put these extension cords onto it, into there. Samson too, everybody's showing up. And then they come in here, and then I cut the ends off because these are going to go directly into the breaker. And then, is this thing zoomed in? These will go into the breaker, and then out of the breaker be some more wire here somewhere into the charge controller. So I'm going to start mounting those items up here on the wall. What I'll probably do is cut these again like here, put these into the top of the breaker, and then use the rest of this here to come out of the bottom of the breaker. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. I was waiting for these grommets to show up so that when I drilled that hole through, I would have this conduit that's sealed to run the cables through. It's kind of tricky though, because there's a gap between this wall and the outside wall. So you had, and so like when I drilled this hole, it only went this far in. And then the other, so I had to kind of, well, instead of guesstimating where to put the hole on the other side so that they lined up, I took a really long drill bit on the center of this hole and just poked it through the other side, and then used that as the center of the outside hole. And they lined up pretty well. These wires went into the outside hole through the space in the wall there and popped right through this. I mean, it worked really well. So far, so good. Let me go ahead and put some more of this together for the next video. Peace.